Hello and welcome to CS++. This is a video for teachers to help get their GitHub Classroom set up and get the Autograder set up for these unit tests. And this will work for both the JavaScript unit test for AP Computer Science Principles and also the Maven unit test for AP Computer Science A. So if you navigate to cs++.com/js/test, you can get to this page and you will see some instructions for the students getting started. And also for, at the very bottom, this video about teachers getting started. But if you scroll down, you will see some different resources here. So if you open up student resources, you will see the teacher setup video, which you're watching now. You can also share the student setup video. And there's also guides, which are readmes in GitHub. And then every single lesson here, ranging from variables all the way up to functions and forms and the data object, can all be opened. These all have a video kind of walking through all of the concepts and the solution to the problems. So students can work on this, and if they get stuck, they can check out these videos. But for setting this up, the important part here is the View on GitHub button. So if you click this, it will open up the GitHub repository. And what you want to notice is the name of this repository. So these are all in cs-plus-plus/ and then js- and then the topic name. So that is an important part that you need to know. And this contains all of the index.html. Some of these are pre-made. Script.js, which is what the students will be working in. A README that has a lesson that goes detailed through everything. And then the assignment. So what you want to do is you want to go over to GitHub Classroom. So if you haven't already, create a GitHub account, and then using your GitHub account, you can create a new classroom. And once you have a new classroom, you can open that classroom. And we are going to click on New Assignment. And for the new assignment, we're going to first give it a name. We'll call this one Intro to Variables. If you want, you can set a deadline. This will let you see if the students completed it on time or pushed it on time from GitHub. And then you can make this a group assignment or an individual assignment. And then you can continue. And then this right here is what you want to focus on, the find a GitHub repository. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in the cs-plus/js-, and then you will find the one that you want to use. So let's use the first one, variables. I usually make this private. If you want them to share a website, a forward-facing website, you might want to make it public and give them access to admin. But for these, you can make these private. And then you can click continue. And you'll see that the YML file, which is the Autograder, will show up here. And this is the kind of trick here. If you try to commit this right now, the project hasn't been created yet, so it won't work. So what you have to do is you have to create the assignment first. And then once that's created, now you have to edit the assignment. And now you can scroll down, and now you can click that commit change button. And it will come up with an automatic message for you. And now that will be ready to go. So what you're going to give the students is this link right here. So if you open up this link, this will give them a clone of your starter code that you just created. And usually it's going to be called the name of the assignment and then their username. So that's what you'll share with the students. And in the next video, I'll show you how the students would use that link.